We've got 15 exercises in this cooldown routine, 40 seconds each. Get on your mat and let's start with cat-cow. While on your hands and knees, arch your back up, then dip it down gently while lifting your head and tailbone. Repeat these movements nice and slow. Transition now into a downward dog position, pushing your hips back, then shift into a cobra pose by lowering your hips while lifting your chest. Flow gently between two poses, giving a good stretch. Kneel and reach your arms forward, lowering your chest towards your mat while keeping your hips over your knees, and hold. Sit upright and bring the soles of your feet together and gently press your knees towards the floor. It's totally fine if you can't, you'll eventually get there. Lie on your back and hug your right leg into your abdomen. Place your left hand on your knee and extend your right arm. Nice work, now we're gonna repeat the stretch on the other side. Bend your left knee like so while extending your right leg back. Raise your chest up and hold here. Now grab your left ankle behind you and gently pull it towards your glutes and hold. Nice work, now we're gonna repeat the pigeon pose on the other side. Same as before, grab your right ankle now and gently pull it towards your glutes and hold. Sit with your legs extended, reach forward towards your toes and hold. Bring your left arm across your chest and hook it with your right forearm and gently apply some pressure and get a good stretch in. Switch arms and let's repeat on the other side. Raise your left arm overhead, bending at the elbow, and now use your right hand to gently press the elbow for a good stretch. Switch arms and let's repeat on the other side. And that's the cooldown, guys. Good job on not skipping your daily cooldowns. And now enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!